channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Chantel, and today I'm just doing this look right here. It's not a full face, it's just the eye makeup. I wanted to just play around with some burgundies today. Just a bit of, not really natural, but yeah, not so much colour today. I have been doing quite a few colourful looks, so I thought I'd just go back to the whole natural like brownie burgundies. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So today I'm going to be working with the Give It To Me Straight palette by Colourpop. I bought this a couple of weeks ago and I just haven't had the time to film, but I thought today I really wanted to go with like a burgundy brown kind of look, so this is absolutely perfect. It is so pretty, like the colours are just stunning. This one called Forthright is so pretty. Like I want to use this one, or this one is Be Blunt. Like, oh, this is so stunning. So I can't wait to play with this palette. So for a transition shade, I'm going to be taking this, like, I think it's like a cool tone, just a really light brown. It's called Downright. It's like a, it's kind of got like, it's like a pinky kind of light brown. And I'm just going to be taking one of my favorite brushes, the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. It's so annoying that these palettes don't have a mirror, but luckily I got this little bad boy with me. For anyone that loves Colourpop and like follows them, if you've seen the Zodiac collection that's coming out, it will probably already be out when I've posted this, that they've collaborated with Kathleen Lights again, and I literally cannot wait. Like, I am so excited for that collection. Like, I'm literally just gonna get the palette because of the light blue shade that's in it. It is so stunning. And like the PR package they are selling, so I definitely want to get my hands on that because I do want the whole collection. This is such a beautiful transition shade. This is so pretty. I honestly just love Colourpop so much. Like, they're so consistent with every palette. Like, every palette I've bought is just like, oh, just my love for Colourpop, hey? Just love them. Okay, so now I'm going to take this beautiful burgundy shade called TMI. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner and just blend it on the crease. So now what I'm going to do is just take my Morphe M505 brush and I'm going to go in with this dark brown called Actually. And I'm just going to darken that outer corner just a little bit. Alright, so that is all blended out, and now I'm going to go in with the beautiful shimmer called Forthright. It is absolutely stunning. I'm just going to apply it with my finger, and then I might put up front over the top of it. It's just like a stunning, it's just like a, I just don't even know how to explain. It's like a gold, like how pretty is that? So pretty. Oh, stunning. Okay, so the shimmers are just so buttery, like I just, oh, I can't even deal. So pretty. Okay. Yes, that is so pretty. Oh my god. That is so stunning. Okay, we've got a little bit of fallout. Just a little bit, but it's alright. Oh, so pretty. Just putting that little bit of that gold over the top. Oh, so pretty. So just to darken the outer corners just a little bit, I'm just taking my Zoeva 230 little pencil brush and I'm just going to darken that up just a little bit. Now I'm just going to make sure that everything is all blended. So for the inner corner highlight and the brow, I'm just going to take, I might mix the two straight up and up front, because they're both pretty shimmery. So now I'm just going to take TMI, which is that burgundy purple, and just put it underneath my eye. Okay, so I just did a little bit off camera, so I just applied a little wing using my favourite, the Ultra Glossy liner by Maybelline. And I just put on some Model Rock lashes. These are the 212s. They're my absolute faves. I love them so much. They're just like such a lightweight, and it's like a half dramatic, half natural. Like, they're just so stunning. And for lips, I just went in with my Luxe lipstick from Colourpop called Appy. Honestly, if you haven't tried their Luxe lipsticks, like, you need to get your hands on them, because they are just so like soft and buttery, and they're just absolutely stunning. I love them so much, and they're just so cute. Like, the packaging is just like a rose gold. It's got little stars on it. Like, it's just so cute. I just love it so much. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!